Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are in Stone Town and we are visiting the city and doing some shopping. So let's go with the intro. Sorry guys, not so much power for the intro, so let's do it again. Let's go with the intro! We just left the car in the parking. It's 1,000 shilling for the whole day. And now we are going to change some money. We got dollar, we're going to take some shilling to buy the stuff we need.
Lights are lit and there's sweat on your embrace. One other thing I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Another day.
So guys, we just bought this telephone here for 25,000 shilling. We actually need to charge our internet for the house, so it's 25,000 shilling. It's about 11-12 euro. Double camera, flashlight, Bluetooth, and yeah, that's pretty nice. We are now moving to another side. Look how many people are going everywhere, and look how green you can find. So we just went in a paper shop to buy some stuff for the diving, as we have a lot of receipt and the paper you have to sign for responsibility. We have to divide in months, so we just buy some cases to put the stuff inside.
In Zanzibar you are able to find any kind of food by street, like street food, and you can buy it like also for one pieces, like if you want just one banana or one apple at example, and that is very comfortable if you are, when it's so warm outside.
What I was trying to show you is something very important. You can find exactly the same in one of the shots of Peter McKinnon, the amazing shot from Kenya. And this is to let people see how here in Africa they just try to repair the stuff. So as you can see, they make all the hole to repair the plastic of the scooter. In other places, like Italy, they would have replaced it. But here it's not easy, like in our countries. So they just work hard to repair what they have, and this is something we all have to learn about. Now we are moving to another part of the city. We are going to Forodani to have some lunch. We just take the car and we drive over there. If you know where to go, you can find basically Italy everywhere. So today we choose to have Italian food. We're just going for a sandwich with cheese and prosciutto. So guys, what we had was a sandwich with ham or prosciutto crudo, I don't know what's the exact name in Italian, in English, and we have also cheese and pesto and tomato inside, and it was for 12 shilling each, around 5 euro, and it was really good. So guys, we did everything in the city, we buy all what we needed. Now we are at the petrol station doing some fuel and we go back home. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.